What's up, everybody? Have you ever stopped and thought, I wonder how good the Walmart cases are? Well, we're going to check it out today. This case has pretty much all the things you'd see on a regular flagship OtterBox or expensive phone, including the 2x military rating, which who knows what that actually means. So I went and did a little bit of digging, and yeah, just like you might expect, it's kind of up to whatever the company says their military rating is. There are military ratings, but they don't all handle it the same way. So yeah, like you take a look at this Pelican, drops there 6 feet, but who knows what they're actually doing here. But I think the expectation is pretty realistic. This thing was about 20 bucks. You can't expect to be able to throw it off your roof and have it be fine. So breaking into this box, it's just like any other phone. Actually, I'm kind of surprised how nice it looks right off the rip. It has a filler so you can kind of see the dimensions of the case. It doesn't get lost in the packaging. Take that out of here now. And no muss, no fuss, no marketing material, anything like that. They sort of expect you to know what you're getting. It is definitely going to be a fingerprint magnet, but I think any kind of case with this material is going to be the same way. I am curious to see how good the cutouts are for the cameras and whatnot, and how well the buttons work, so we shall see. Installs just like you'd expect. Press it right in. Give it a little clean. And yeah, I should have cleaned the back of the phone better, but it fits really well. It has plenty of resivity, plenty of lip on the front so that it doesn't touch the surface. You can get to the S Pen without a problem, and the sides fit tight. The buttons feel good, and yeah, if you told me this case was 40 bucks, I'd believe you. I paid less than that. I'm not a big fan of kickstands, but let's check it out. I wonder if this works in every single orientation. These are the two I expect, or 3 technically. Oh, it even works on the other side. So yeah, it does feel pretty solid. Like I said, this thing was $20-ish. If you're looking for a case that's going to meet your budget and work pretty well to protect your phone, this seems like it does the job. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.